And then I opened the thing and I found this. Hello, I'm back. I've been away for a little while because I've been busy sorting all this out in the new house. But thought I'd bring you along for another little journey. Sorry, you're probably dizzy now. The Bongo is broken again. Would you believe it? Let's have a look. Here she is, look. So I was just driving along and right old racket. Look at the state of it, it's well dirty. I had a right old racket coming from under this sort of area. And then I noticed up here that we weren't charging. And then I opened the thing and I found this. It wasn't actually this bad, I've actually just undone that. But the bottom bolt is gone. I don't know where it is. I heard a prang as I was going down the road. And I thought if I just turn the music up, then I won't be able to hear it anymore. So got myself home and I found that that's buggered basically. Now we have an issue. The issue is I need the van. So I need to do a temporary repair to get it back on the road so I can get home. Well, I'm home. Go out and do what I need to do. So I haven't got a bolt though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fashion a replica to get me to the bolt place so I can get a proper one. So what I'm going to do is I found this in the garage down there somewhere. I'm going to cut this so it needs to be 100mm from there along and 10mm whatever you call that thick. This is the only thing I have that's close. These are my other bolts. Not a lot going on. Sorry about the noise of the 3D printer as well. I've just started this. I should have thought about that beforehand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this here and then ditch this bolt, and I'm going to put that through the hole so that it pulls up against this, like there, sort of thing, and then do that up so it will hold the alternator in temporarily till we get to the bolt place to get a new bolt. So yeah, a bit of a pain, but here we are, never mind. There we go. That's our new bolt, kind of. I was hoping like I could just, if it was shredded all the way up, I could just double nut the ends, but it's the only way I'm going to be able to do it. Ow, it's hot. So, hopefully it's going to work. We shall see. I'll go and chuck it in and let you know how we get on. Isn't it lovely that I've made another video though? I haven't made one in, I think the last time I made one was July. Just been so busy because obviously I moved. If you've been following the channel, you'll see the new house. We've been sorting all that out. I haven't had time to make videos really, so yeah. Will it work? Is it long enough? Oh, hey, just. So that is what I was saying. So basically, if it was like a threaded bar, then I could put another nut there and a nut this end. But like I say, I haven't got one. It's just to get me back on the road to go and get it fixed properly. So that will have to do. I'll have to sort of angle that somehow. Don't know which way I'm going to put that yet. But that will hold it to stop it going straight through. So now I can get a nut on there, do that up, and then we're back. Temporary. Again, this is very, very temporary. Not to be permanentized, if that's even a word. Right, so do that up, pinch it up, sort that angle out that side, make sure it doesn't damage anything. Hopefully we're good to go. Right, double nutted down there, so hopefully it don't come off. Fingers crossed. Belts are back on. This is all loose, so just got to get this little fella on. That's like the locking nut, whatever you want to call it. And then drive this one wrong way. That way. Why is that one loose? Oh, I'll have to have a look at that in a sec. That ain't right, something's amiss there. But yeah, once I've figured that out, this needs to be tightened so that there's a bit of flex on these, and then you do it up with that one, it makes it all good. So now I need to figure out what's going on here. Right, I've done it. I figured that one of those belts had like stretched from where it's gone a bit weird. So all I've done is just like over tightened it really. So I've got one tight belt and one like loose belt. So one of them's just gone a bit weird. So I'm on my way now. It's running. I am charging at 14.5 volts. Which is the most I've had in a long time actually, so it might have been a little underlying issue working its way out for a little while. Yeah, so I'm going to go and get a bolt, and while I'm there I'm going to grab a couple of two belts, belts, so I can replace them at the same time, because I don't know how long they're going to last. But anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry for the big delay in videos. I know it's been like months, but like I said earlier, I've been so busy doing things to my house and stuff like that. Let me know underneath if you want me to make like little videos about that. Like I've been doing stuff like making my house a smart house, so to speak, fitting smart switches and door contacts for the garage and things like that that are all, you know, connected via Wi-Fi and things like that, smart bulbs. Some of you might be interested in that, some of you probably just don't even care. I'm a bit of a nerd when it comes to stuff like that. I like things to just do themselves, like, you know, you come in and the lights go on and stuff like that. Or you go out and you think, oh, I've not turned all the lights and the telly off, it just does it for you because it realises on your phone that you've gone out. Stuff like that. So let me know if you want to see some stuff on that. If you don't, fair enough, no worries. Anyway, right, thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!